Hello, this video is about plant transportation and how plants get what they need to perform photosynthesis. So there's an equation for photosynthesis if you need it. The thing is basically what they need, they can get carbon dioxide from the air through the stomata in their leaves, but what they also need is water, and that comes from the ground. So they absorb that through the roots by osmosis into the root hair cell first and into the root cortex up through the stem to the leaf. Now what transports that water through the stem is something called xylem, which I've got a little picture of here. You'll see about phloem in a different video. But the xylem structure is basically, they're dead cells. They're kind of hardened, long, narrow cells. And all they do really is transport water and minerals up through the stem of the plant to the leaves. A quick note on minerals, they don't go into the roots by diffusion usually because they're of higher concentration outside the plant than inside, so they need active transport to get in, but once in, they're carried in the water through the xylem in the same way. So the role of xylem is to carry water and minerals through the plant to the site of photosynthesis. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.